I will be making Hello Kitty out of Play-Doh. So let's get started. First, we'll need some white dough, and I made it so it'll be smooth, and put it in the Hello Kitty mold. Make sure the white dough Play-Doh won't go in the bow section. You smooth it out, and once you think everything's smoothed out and in, then you take it out by where the bow is. You see the bow is right here, so you take it out there. And you have your Hello Kitty almost. So now take the pink dough and put it where the bow is. Press it all around until it's in. Make sure all of it is where the bow is. Now where the ear is, take it out from there. You have your bow. Now take the right side of the ear and just press it on, and make sure the ear is showing. Now we're done. We're almost done. Now we just need to put on the whiskers, the eyes, and the nose. So let's start off by the eyes. We'll put on the first eye over here. Second eye.
What is that? That is Play-Doh?
Yeah, Play-Doh. And the second eye here. Now we'll do the nose. Take some white. Take some white, yellow, and roll it so it's small enough so it'll be like Hello Kitty's eyes over here. Now, let's do the whiskers. Put one right almost where the eyes are. Put the second one distant from the other one. And the last one right here. Do the same on the other side. You have your Hello Kitty.